Welcome to our new property. Technically, this is our 14th flip, but what's more exciting about it is that we bought this house to move in.
It's gonna be ours. So we're gonna do a light remodel because purchasing the home took up most of our budget. The housing market is on fire right now, but because I'm a great real estate agent, I was able to get this home for $22,000 under asking.
Yay, money for remodel.
Yes.
For the outside, we plan to do our classic white and black trim with the black garage door, and the trim around the windows will be light yellow. But that could change because we had some disagreements.
Yeah, we stormed out of Home Depot the other day.
True story.
Yeah.
We'll put a fence around it here in the front, and we'll plant some tall hedges right over there. Let's go check it out.
Let's go.
This is part of our new living area. This is the new living room where we'll have our couch and our TV and hang out. And we have this fireplace. James loves this because he can have a fire in the evening. He always wanted a house with a fireplace. So here we go. We have it this time. And the whole reason we bought this house is this giant playroom for the kids. As you remember, we already have 2, 3 and 1-year-old and another one on the way. So this is where they can tackle each other and play and have toys all around and all over the floor. The carpet is very, very old and incredibly ugly. So we are gonna change it with very thick padded carpet and padding underneath for the kids to tackle each other and not hurt themselves. The rest of the house, we're gonna put laminate flooring, which we already picked. I love it. It's a new color. We haven't used this in other houses, but we love it for our house. So hope it look good. We are gonna install new lights, ceiling lights, a couple of them, one here, one over there, because right now we're relying on just a silly lamp in the corner. And because the paint is very bad in places and also is just very outdated and dusty, we will paint the whole house. And once we do that, it will smell good and it will look good. And oh, look over here. I wasn't joking. This carpet is really old. It actually used to be purple. And now it's a very dirty brown. And another cool feature of this house is this beautiful vaulted ceiling. We have vaulted ceilings like we wanted to. Unfortunately, right now they have ugly popcorn texture, not only ugly, but also unsafe. It has asbestos. So for the whole next week, we hire somebody to remove it safely and have beautiful, smooth, vaulted ceilings. Also, because of the whole extra space, we're in California, so it gets very hot, we have to replace this outdated wall unit here. So we have decided to put AC through the entire house, 2 new units, one upstairs and one downstairs. And for that to happen, you have to upgrade, for such a giant house, you have to upgrade the electrical panel to a 200 amp to support the 2 new AC units. Another wonderful upgrade about this home is the number of bedrooms. We're going from 3 bedrooms and 1 bath to 5 bedrooms and 3 baths, and we need them.
Something really exciting for us in this house is that it has an upstairs. Isabella's been telling me our entire relationship that she wants to live in a house with stairs. Not necessarily that they go up or down, but she wants stairs. So now she's gonna have stairs. Let's go check it out. Oh, well, maybe stairs isn't the best idea. Here's what'll be our bathroom. There's all of this countertop where we can put all of our stuff. And we're gonna change the floors to match the new tile in the bathroom downstairs. And over here we have the biggest bedroom in the house. We can put a king-size bed here, a big flat screen on that wall, huge closet, plenty of storage, so great, perfect for a master bedroom. But Isabel thinks it should be a guest room and a preschool, so let me show you our actual bedroom. And here we have our actual bedroom, which, while not as big, is still a huge upgrade from our current bedroom. So it's a major, major plus. We have a beautiful view. He's got a reptile cage. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check us out on Instagram and Facebook and at stonefarmenterprises.com. And on YouTube, be sure to hit that bell so you get notifications when our new videos drop.